You know, back in the days, back in my day, we had this smoke alarm that would just keep beeping for, I don't know for how long, maybe for a whole year or so, maybe not a year, maybe 6 months, and we just never replaced it. And then over time, it just became background noise, so we just didn't know that there was a problem. Like, if you pay attention, it's there, but otherwise didn't really notice. Sometimes when we felt like it, we would like dance, like, you know, have a real chill groove when we're aware of it, but other times we just don't acknowledge it. Yeah. That was good. Your family's weird. Oh no, they didn't do the dancing. I did the dancing. You know, to make the most out of it. Just rip it right out of the wall at that point. I think we might have. Yeah. Because at one point, like, there are moments of awareness, and during that time, we'd say, oh, just pull it out. We can't, like, replace the battery, so that's what we did. We just, like, took it out, and then there was peace. Like, absolute silence. It almost feels empty without it.